Having said goodbye to Portland, we continued along the south coast. There were many nice places along the way that we could have stopped at, but in the end we headed for Lyme Regis, a really quaint little fishing village, incredibly popular holiday venue in the summer. We parked at the east end of the town so we could have a look around. I was really hoping for a sunset tonight, but it does not look like it's going to happen. Earlier there was a bit of blue sky and hazy cloud, so I was kind of hopeful, but now it's just cloudy. But there's a lot to look at in this place. I think we go for a black and white panorama of the whole port, fishing boats, town in the background, beach, and then a Jurassic coastline going off behind it. So it's been a bit of a strange night sleeping in the van at an angle. The only place I could find a park. Haven't made it for the sunrise, but I checked the weather forecast last night and could see there wasn't going to be one. But after yesterday's pretty much failure of an effort at photography, I've come back, I've got an idea. I want to try and get as big a panorama as I can of the whole of Lyme Regis Bay. Lyme Regis done and dusted, we moved along to our next port of call. That would be Colyton. There's not much in Colyton to talk about really, but we did spend one night parked near the river. We met some inquisitive cows and had a go at some flowing water photography. But our desire to move on was relentless, and pretty soon we were approaching Exeter and a place called Woodbury Castle. It's taken a lot of looking around to find good compositions, but I'm liking the look of this tree. Funnily enough, when I put this camera down to do this little piece, it came up with quite a good composition. The next day we woke up on a lay-by off the dual carriageway. Not exactly exotic, I know, but it meant that we could get straight on to our next location, which was Stoke Gabriel on the Dart River. I think we'll use this area here as a first effort for the photo that I want to get here. Initially when I got here I was thinking this place would be great with the sunrise and all the colours, and it would, but it's not like that, so we have to do what we can with what we've got. So what I'm finding is even with this 16mm lens, which is wide angle, I can't really get all that I want in. Here, where these red rocks are, I really want another good few meters to the left there, and we can do this. Here, where the boats and the hills are, I want another few meters that way. So that only means one thing: panorama. I can really hear the sheep on the other side of the valley.